Now that your coaching is over, we'll take a look at the match. I'll quickly share my screen and we'll take a look at it. The the aim is going to be to create a monthly budget planner, and the objective is going to be to create a monthly budget planner that tracks your income and expenses. The expected outcome is going to be that by the end you should have a monthly budget monitoring system. The instructions are as follows. First, you're going to open your Google Sheets in your web browser. Second, you're going to open a blank new spreadsheet. Third, you're going to name the spreadsheet uh, as monthly budget planner. Fourth, you're going to create a structure. The structure is mentioned over here. Next, you're going to add formatting to the table. After that, you're going to add the formulas as required, and then we're going to apply conditional formatting, and then we're going to share the table, the sheet with the instructor at this email ID, simple.sample 012346 at the rate gmail.com. And then after you're done with the match, you're going to go through this checklist. As you complete each step, you're going to tick it, and it's going to become green, indicating that you have achieved the checkpoint. Now I'm going to show you a sample of what the outcome is going to look like. This is what the expected outcome is supposed to look like. You're going to have you have the name over here, the formatting over here with this in colors and in bold, and as well as this. And here are the data that you have to fill up. And over here in these two columns, we have applied formulas to check if the budget is in control or not, and if the expenses are also in control or not.